Holly, and today we are going to do an unboxing of Jimmy Bean's Crochet Club. I'm super excited about this. If you guys remember at the end of last year, one of my viewers were sending me her crochet club, which was new, and I was opening it. Well, I found out that, sorry, I thought I had a hair on my mouth. Bleh. I found out that Jimmy Bean's was doing, I can't ever say it, for these first 3 months, because it's a 3-month like surprise club. You get a little each month. We'll talk about that in a second. They were doing sheepy's yarn, whatever, and I got so excited. I hurried up and signed up, and here is the first package. So it is a 3-month progressive club. You pay $15 to $20 a month, and you get a project that you'll get on month 1. You get some of the yarn and a little bit of the project. Month 2 you get more of the yarn, more of the project. Month 3 the finishing, and they usually throw in some like extras and stuff too, usually right in the beginning. I loved it. I had so much fun opening it that I could not wait to do it again. So like I said, I'm just looking here. Yeah, you always get like extra stuff, and it's only $15 to $20 a month. I thought that was a great deal. And they have a bunch of other clubs. Let me tell you what other they have. They have the Knit Club. They have the Jimmy's Indie Club, which is indie dyed yarn. You guys know I love that stuff. They have the Madeline Tosh knit along ones. Oh, they have so many clubs. You should definitely check them out. I am super excited to be doing this. I cannot wait. Oh, the bag's so cute. So let's go ahead and just open this bag up. So I got my little unicorn scissors here, guys. Love these things. They're super sharp. I gotta be careful because don't want to cut myself, and more importantly, don't want to cut some yarn. So this is a surprise package. I have no idea what's in here. I just saw it. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. It came in this little pouch. Look at all the minis. You guys, I'm gonna die. Look at all the minis. This little pouch is so cute. It's all snapped and you can unsnap it. And it's just filled with minis. Look at these. So let's see. I'm not going to read you all of their names, but I'll show you some. These are the river washed. Oh, these are the XLs. Are these all? Nope, this is stone washed. So it's a nice mix here. I'm going to take them all out of, and then I'll try to hold them up here. It's a mix of the Sheepy's stone wash. Let me put one up here. If I get it to the right spot. There we go. This is a stone washed, beautiful like pinky one. And then this guy is a river washed. See how it's like kind of 2 colors? It's a mix of those, and I got, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 minis here that are all 15 grams a piece and 22 meters long. I have no idea how that is. But it's okay, they're fine. And they are 70% acrylic, or cotton, 30% acrylic. And then in here is some of my extra stuff. So here is the card for this month's Crochet Club. We are going to be making the Monster Puff. And it says you need one of these, which I already have. But I already knew I had this and was excited to get more of it because I love it and want to do something cool with it. So let me see if I can show you just this picture of what we're supposed to be making. Is this giant poof to sit on. Isn't that cute? Oh, I love it. And like I said, I got my little bag, which I love. This is cute. And all of my little yarns. Look, I got, okay. So I got these ones that are all like creams. I got these 3 that I would say are all browns. Let's just see here. These ones I love. These are my favorite. They're like pinky purples and stuff. And then I got some more colors. And I'll pick up these last 5 colors together. So I got all of those, you guys. I love them. The colors are great. They feel amazing. I did get one other thing. And it is from Knit Namaste, which is, and it's Be Here Knit Now. And it is a little, it says, welcome to Knitting Nirvana. Take this time to focus on earth, breath, and each breath you take, each stitch you make. This is where knitting and mindfulness meet. Namaste. And it is a bullet, is this a bullet journal? What is this with the little polka dotty paper? I was so wanting to try one of these. So that is super exciting. So my little extras I got this month are the bag and this little journal, which I'm so excited for because I saw these in the store, not this particular ones, but ones with the little dots before. And I thought to myself, how do you write those? There's no lines. That's how old lady I am. But then I realized they are perfect for designing. So I'm so excited to use this. This will be fun. But I'm most excited about all the sheep yarn. And I know what you guys are saying. You already have all of it right here. You're right, I do. And now I have two. Look at these. No, I cannot. Let's see if I can pick them all up, you guys. Let's see. It's so fun. Okay, the only thing I like more than getting yarn in the mail is getting minis in the mail. Look at them. Look at all them. Oh, the black's trying to jump. Can I get them all in my arms? This is just ridiculous, you guys. I'm almost there. 3 more. 2 more. Look, okay. That's all of them. Oh, they're falling out the bottom. Okay. Yarn! Oh, one fell. Get it. I'm so excited because now this box can sit here and look pretty, and all of these can go into my mini container. Minis! I love them. Maybe I'll combine them, or maybe I'll do something separate with them. I don't know, because I still got 2 more months of getting a bunch of crazy minis. I'm so excited. You guys, I love sheepy yarn, or sheep. You guys are gonna say it wrong. I'm just gonna put the little band up there so you can see how to say this yarn. Come on. There we go. Well, no, kind of. There you go. There's the band. Can you guys say that? Because I cannot. But I love it. And I forgot to tell you guys who designed this wonderful monster poof. It is designed by Katie Peterson of Katie and the Squid. If you guys remember my crochet sweater I made at the beginning of 2018, the My Favorite Crochet Pullover, is by Katie and the Squid. So I love her, and I love the idea of using all these. Now, I'm probably not going to make this poof because I don't need a giant poof. But that's okay because I'll have the pattern in case I decide to make a poof later. I will have it. And I'm super excited because all of the yarn. I just get it for the yarn, you guys. I'm not going to make the projects. I just want to look at the yarn and be happy. So I'm so excited. If you guys got it this month, tell me what you guys thought. If you did not get it, tell me if you're thinking of getting it because I am super excited. So I'm definitely going to keep it for the next 2 months because it's a 3-month. I'm putting it all back in the baggie here, guys. It's a 3-month surprise thingy. But do you guys think I should keep doing Jimmy Bean's Crochet Club? Do you think I should? Do you think I should do it the rest of the year and see what other projects come about? I love this bag with the snaps. I don't know why either. Because I mean snaps, but snaps. Oh, I'm just crazy, you guys. Look at all of these adorable minis that I love so, so much. I'm so glad I was able to get in this month because I didn't think I was going to, so yay. But let me know down below what you think, and let me know if you think I should keep doing this because I really love getting crazy yarns. So, but I gotta go, guys. Bye.